Hello students, in today's class we will be doing exercise 3.7 optional exercise, but questions are very interesting and important. So the first question is, I am reading the statement. It is there on your screen. You can see the ages of two friends Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differs by 30 years. Find the ages of Ani and Biju. So we have to find the ages of Ani and Biju, who are friends, and their ages differ by 3 years. It is given on in the first line. Now how to proceed with the question? Let we do the supposition. So exercise, we are starting 3.7. Question number 1. Let Ani's present age x years and Biju's present age equal to y years. It will be easy to proceed in the question after the supposition. Now let me read the first line again. The ages of two friends Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. Now it is not given in the question who is elder, Ani or Biju. Nothing is clear. So in this particular question, students, we have two situations, right? So as per the first situation case given in the question, we have further two situations. If x is greater than y, means Ani is elder than Biju, then in that case we have x minus y equal to 3, right? And the second situation, in the first case, we have if y is greater than x, then we will have x minus y equal to minus 3. So this is two equations we got in first case. Normally we used to get one equation from one case, but here we got two equations from first case, depending upon who is elder. So if Ani is elder, then x minus y equal to 3. If Biju is older than Ani, then x minus y will be equal to minus 3. We are keeping x in front. You can take y minus x equal to 3, that is also okay. Y minus x equal to 3 is perfectly okay, but I just wanted to keep x in first. So I have written x minus y equal to minus 3. Now let me see the next part of the question. In the question further they say Ani's father Dharam. Now Dharam is Ani's father, right? And his age is twice the Ani's age, right? So Dharam's present age is 2x years, clear? Because Ani's age is x years, he is twice as old, so his age will be 2x years. Now Kathy is Biju's sister, and in the question states Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. So it means Kathy is half of the age of Biju. Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. It means Kathy is half of the age of Biju. So Kathy's present age will be y over 2 years because Biju is twice as old. Now obviously Ani and Biju are friends with the age difference is 3. So Dharam is father of Ani, so Dharam must be older than Kathy, no doubt about that. So we have to make equation, and for that they have given us the difference between Dharam's and Kathy's age is 30 years in the question. So 2x minus y over 2 is equal to 30. So this is your equation 3. Now we have three equations in the question. Students, if you have noticed in the previous questions, we used to get one equation from case 1 and one equation we used to get from case 2. So this is your case 2, right? And we used to solve those two equations to get the answer of the question. Now here we have three equations. Two equations are from case 1 and one equation from case 2. But remember, the rule is still same. We have to solve one equation from case 1 and one equation from case 2. It means in this particular question what we are supposed to do, we are going to solve equation 1 and 3, and we will also solve equation 2 and 3, and we will see the solution, right? So we have to take one equation from one case and one equation from another case. So equation 1 and equation 3 we have to solve, and then we have to solve a pair of equation 2 and equation 3. Equation 2 and 3 will be one situation, one case. Equation 1 and 3 will be another case. So let me solve. First I am going to solve equation 1 and equation 3, right? So if you see clearly, here x coefficient is 1 and here x coefficient is 2, right? So in this particular question I am using substitution method, right? So here we have taken situation 1, you can name, in which we have two equations, x minus y equal to 3 and 2x minus y over 2 equal to 30. So this is one situation that we will solve. This is already taken as 1, this is taken as 3, so I am not changing that. Now from equation 1, x minus y equal to 3, I am using substitution method. So x will be equal to 3 plus y. This I will substitute in another equation. So substitute x equal to 3 plus y in equation 3. So see what happens. So 2 into 3 plus y is minus y over 2 equal to 30. So in place of x I have replaced 3 plus y. Now let me simplify. It will be 6 plus 2y minus y over 2 equal to 30. So 6 will go that side, and here we will solve 2y minus y by 2. It will be 3y over 2 equal to 24. Y will be equal to 24 into 2 over 3. Answer will come 16 because 3 8s are 24. So y is equal to 16, right? So y we got 16. We can fill this value of y in any of the two equations that we are solving. So put y equal to 16 in either equation 1 or equation 3. We are solving these two equations, so one of these equations we have to fill. So I am filling in equation 1. So x minus 16 equal to 3, x will be equal to 19. So there is nothing negative, no negative is there, so ages are okay, 16 and 19. So x was representing Ani's age and 16 was y equal to 16 represents Biju's age. So we got the answer. Ani's present age is equal to 19 years and Biju's present age equal to 16 years. And you see, we have taken first equation. In first equation Ani was older than Biju, and here Ani's age is 19 years, Biju's age is 16 years, and which is correct as per our supposition. So it gave the answer. But we cannot overlook the another equation 2 we cannot overlook. We have to simply solve equation 2 and equation 3 also. Equation 2 from case 1, equation 3 from case 2, right? And we will see if everything will go well, so we may have one more choice of answer which will satisfy the given question. So let me see whether it satisfies or no. So second situation, we have x minus y equal to minus 3, that is equation 2 from case 1, and 2x minus y over 2 equal to 30. That is third equation. So this situation we have. So again, applying the substitution method from equation 2, x minus y equal to minus 3. So x will be equal to y minus 3. Y is negative, here it will be positive. Now substitute x equal to y minus 3 in equation 3, not 2. From 2 we have got it. So 2 into y minus 3 minus y over 2 is equal to 30. So 2y minus 6 minus y over 2 equal to 30. So minus 6 will go that side plus, and 2y minus y by 2 is 3y by 2 equal to 36, right? So y will be equal to 36 into 2 by 3, that will be equal to 24, because 12 of 3 is a 36, 12 of 2 is a 24. So we got y equal to 24. Now let me write here only, we can find out. So y is 24. Put y equal to 24 in equation either 2 or 3. So I am putting in 2. So x minus 24 equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 plus 24 equal to 21. And x represents Ani's age and y represents Biju age. So Ani's age is 21 years and Biju's age is 24 years. So students, in both the situations we got the positive answers, no negative integers are there, so ages are possible. So both the situations are okay as per the given statement, they satisfy this equation, right? So our answer is correct. We can still check how come we have two answers. Let me see. If you notice, if we see the first answer, 19 years Ani's age and 16 years Biju's age. So Ani's father Dharam is twice the age of Ani. So 19 to the 38 years. So if we see the this is solution, okay. It is not the part of the question. It is just for your understanding. So what will be Dharam's age? Dharam's age will be 19 to the 38. I am talking about this particular case. Now Kathy is half of the age of Biju. So 16 half is 8 years. We just want to see whether it satisfies the question statement or not. So what is the difference between these two ages? See the friends, 38 minus 8 is 30, which is correct as per the question statement. It satisfies, it means our answer is correct. And if we see the another one, Ani's age is 21 years. So in this case, what will be Dharam's age? 42 years, twice. And Biju's age is 24. So half of Biju's age is 12. And again, if we see the difference, it is 30, which satisfies the question. It means our answers are correct. We have two answers, two situations we have, two answers we have. So Ani's and Biju's age can be either 19 and 16 years, or it can be 21 years and 24 years respectively. So this is the solution of your question. We will wind up by writing the answer again. So how we will wind up? See, we will write, so Ani's and Biju's ages are 19 years and 16 years. This is one answer. Or 21 years and 24 years respectively, right? So we have two choices of answers, either 19 and 16 or 21 and 24, right? So this is the solution of your first question.